Understanding duty-free catalog in English. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, duty-free catalog. This phrase is often encountered in airports and international travel, but what does it really mean? Whether you're a frequent traveler or just curious about the English language, this video is for you. Let's dive in and unravel the mystery of the duty-free catalog. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, duty-free and catalog. Duty-free refers to goods that are sold without certain local or national taxes and duties. These items are usually sold in international zones, like airports, and are exempt from the usual tax charges. On the other hand, a catalog is a list or a collection of items, often in a booklet or digital format, that showcases products for sale. So, putting it together, a duty-free catalog is a collection of products sold without tax, usually found in international travel zones. Duty-free catalogs are commonly found in airports, on airplanes, on cruise ships, and sometimes in border shops near international borders. These catalogs are designed to attract travelers who wish to purchase goods without the added cost of taxes. They typically include a variety of products such as perfumes, cosmetics, alcohol, tobacco, and luxury items. Shopping from a duty-free catalog can offer several benefits. Lower prices, without taxes, products can be cheaper than in regular stores. Exclusive products, some duty-free catalogs offer items that are not easily available elsewhere. Convenience, travelers can purchase gifts or essentials during their journey. While duty-free shopping seems attractive, there are some important points to consider. Customs regulations. Each country has its own customs rules about what can be brought in duty-free. Spending limits. There are often limits on how much one can purchase duty-free. Comparison shopping. Sometimes, duty-free items may not be cheaper than regular retail prices. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of the duty-free catalog and made your future travel experiences more informed and enjoyable. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enriches your English vocabulary but also prepares you for international travel. Happy travels and happy learning! See you in the next video.